So we find that especially these days with mobile phones, laptops, computers, everything is about arm movement really. So people have a lot of problems with their arms. Every time you use a mouse or you're actually using your supraspinatus in your shoulders, but also your upper arms. So some areas of the body can cope with more pressure than others. And especially the upper arm can be really quite sensitive to pressure and can bruise easily. So we're going to start with effleurage, but we're going to have the hands same side for the arm. It depends on how big the arm is that you're going to massage and how big your hands are as to how you massage it. You've got very large hands, and you might actually feel that if you massage somebody you want to hold their hand and just do a one-handed effleurage. It depends entirely on the size of the arm and the size of your hands as to how you deal with it. Otherwise, normally we would come up either side with both hands, divide, coming one on the top and one underneath with a hand cuddle. Depends again as well on the width of the client and whether the arm's falling off the couch or not. So whatever you need to do to control the arm at the same time. So we're going to effleurage up.
How many repetitive movements do you do with that one, Gail?
Sorry?
The 3 times.
Yeah, I usually aim for 3, but sometimes I get carried away, drift off. So we're going to squeeze like toothpaste down the forearm.
That's classic, the way you get your fingers moving.
Yeah,
you've got on your...
it is. It's the tendons up into the fingers. So this is inside first, like the legs, and then outside. And we're working on all the flexor tendons on the top, but I'm also using my hands underneath on the extensor ones. I'm going to knuckle. This is the supratrochlear lymph node here. So you're going to have to know the names of your lymph nodes. So say that one, supratrochlear. Supratrochlear. Say that after a few drinks. Yeah. Then we're going to get the fingertips into the elbow. And loosen up the elbow joint. And I'm going to rest the hand and squeeze down the inside of the upper arm. And then the outside. It's quite tight, quite ropey. Is it tender there?
No, not anymore, they're nowhere else, but it does feel tight.
Yeah. What about here? What's going on there? You got a lump there?
So,
So we're supporting under the elbow all the time. I'm going to do a figure of 8 for a passive move. So if he had a pen in his hand, Phil would be drawing a figure of 8. In reality, what it means is that yes, we're doing a circle with the wrist, but we're also going up and over the shoulder to see what the movement of the shoulder is like, which is always stiffer than the wrist and elbow.
That's quite good. It would be an interesting one to try and hold in there.
Yes, it can be a bit of a challenge for some people.
If you're not really relaxed.
And then we're going to come back and effleurage to link, to bring us on to the hand massage. So the hand massage is alternate thumbs, cross fibre frictions, what I call Julian Cleary, because it's a limp-wristed movement. And then I'm going to link hands and work in between the bones. So pressure walk in between the metacarpals. And then pull off and twist each finger and thumb right the way to the end. I'm going to turn over, do alternate thumbs, cross fibre frictions, link hands, cover the whole of the palm. Pull off and twist. Each finger again, and thumb. And then finally we're going to link the little fingers and then work the solar plexus area of the palm. And then we're going to effleurage to finish. And on the last one, I'm going to pull off nice and firmly over the hand. Flick it away. And then cover up. You staying for 2 looks?
What, today?
Hmm?
Yeah. Okay.
Lovely.
All this up?